Hey, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you this really cool store on Haight Street called the Love of Ganesh. And me and my daughter went in, and there's crystals everywhere, rocks from all over the world, things from India and Tibet, and incense and sage. It was just full of really cool stuff. It's been there 21 years, so it's kind of an institution. So let's go check it out. This place is a palace of crystals, kind of. Look at this. Wow, the prices are really good too.
It's Rebecca! Look at this store. Look at all the crystals. Oh yeah, she's on a hike.
She's on a hike. She's trying to look at your crystals while she's hiking. Wow. I like how they have these like a butterfly. Go ahead, lead the way. Sasha, you see these polished ones? Sasha, look. They're cheap. $1.99 for this. Wow, look at this. Polished ball. Wow, this place is amazing. Wow.
Just remember hands in your fingers, okay?
Wow. Selection is amazing in this store. Look at all this stuff. Where have you seen so many? Sasha, I'll buy you like some. So you're not going home empty-handed. Crystal healing books, book of stones. See if my glasses won't fog up. Yeah. Those are awesome. Look at all this incense. Incense. Amazing. There's sage. Wow, this place has everything. Rose petal. It smells good. Rosemary awake. Cleansing bright light. Wow. Look at all the things in here. Cards. Crystals, clothing. There's even more back here. Hmm. Pretty amazing. Fossils.
Yeah, we would. I would get that one if you were to get one. I know. Yeah, yeah.
Amethyst clusters. Fool's gold. What is this stuff? Sasha. Look at this stuff. They have some amethyst clusters over there.
I have enough amethyst.
Oh, what are you looking for?
I don't know.
These petrified snails. I've never seen so many crystals in one spot. Pyrite. They call this fool's gold because a lot of people thought it was real gold. It's only $8, Sasha. You go to other places, it'd be like 20. I'm gonna have to get some too.
You're supposed to use white sage because it's like native to some tribe or something.
No, we use it to cleanse the house.
I know, but you're not supposed to.
Well, that's up to you, dear. I use it all the time. Not all the time, but... Magnet. Ooh, this is strong. Wow. Strong magnet. These are cool. Watermelon. Wow, these are cool too. These change, when you turn, they change colors. $100 for that. Still probably pretty cheap. How are you, sweetie? Go outside, huh? Yeah. Amazing selection. Orange calcite.
Moon phases. They had a fossilized mushroom.
Oh, really? This purple stuff. That's awesome. Fossilized mushroom. Yeah, ready when you are. What are you getting? You get enough? You get tiger eye. All right, you ready? This is wild stuff here. What does it call that? Very cool.
Oh, look at this one.
I'll buy you one of these if it's not too expensive if you want one. This one's awesome.
It's probably the cheapest one. No idea how much.
Look at this, they got jars. Little jars full of them.